Hello and welcome to Learning with Love with Mrs. Sand, and I am Mrs. Sand. This is your one-stop for all information on homeschooling and all its tricks that I am ready to reveal to you. So subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a video or trick. Today we're going to talk about 30 indoor activities for your children. Doing indoor activities is important for a variety of reasons, including physical and mental health, socialization, education, and personal growth, and also entertainment. Physical and mental health. Indoor activities can play a significant role in maintaining and improving physical and mental health. Many indoor activities, such as exercise and sports, can help to improve physical fitness, reduce stress, and promote overall well-being. For children, teenagers, and adults alike, participation in indoor activities can also help boost self-esteem, confidence, and resilience, which are essential components of mental health. Socialization. Indoor activities can also provide an opportunity for socialization, which is critical for individuals of all ages. For children and teenagers, indoor activities can help foster friendship, cooperation, and teamwork. For adults, indoor activities can provide a chance to connect with others, build relationships, and new connections. Education and personal growth. Indoor activities can also serve as a form of education and personal growth. For children, indoor activities can help develop critical skills such as problem solving, communication, and creativity. For the teenagers and adults, indoor activities can provide opportunity for learning new skills, pursuing personal interests, entertainment. Indoor activities can also serve as a source of entertainment, providing a much needed break from the stress and pressures of daily life. For children and teenagers, indoor activities can foster a love of learning and a passion for exploring new interests. For adults, indoor activities can provide a way to relax and unwind, escape from the demands of work, and enjoy leisure time. In conclusion, indoor activities are an essential component of healthy living, providing numerous benefits for physical and mental health, socialization, education, personal growth, and entertainment. Whether it's in sports, arts and crafts, or simply reading a book, indoor activities can help individuals of all ages maintain a balanced and fulfilling life. Now here are 30 indoor activities for children. Number 1. Obstacle course. Create an indoor obstacle course using pillows, boxes, and furniture. Number 2. Crafts. Do fun and creative crafts such as jewelry making, paper mache, or friendship bracelets. Number 3. Board games. Play classical board games such as Monopoly, Clue, and chess to help develop strategy and critical thinking skills. Number 4. Baking. Bake cookies, cakes, or other treats, and let the children help with measuring ingredients and mixing. Number 5. Reading time. Encourage children to read by setting aside dedicated to reading time each day and provide a cozy reading nook. Number 6. Movie night. Set up a cozy movie theater in the living room and let the children pick a movie to watch. Number 7. Video games. Play video games together, such as Mario Kart or Minecraft, to encourage teamwork and friendly competition. Number 8. Science experiments. Do simple science experiments, such as making a volcano or creating a lava lamp, to encourage curiosity and problem-solving skills. Number 9. Indoor camping. Set up a tent in the living room and have an indoor camping adventure, complete with some s'mores and hot chocolate. Number 10. Legos. Encourage creativity and problem-solving skills with a large set of Legos or other building blocks. Number 11. Art gallery. Set up an indoor art gallery, displaying the children's artwork and encourage their creativity. Number 12. Talent show. Host a talent show and let the children perform their favorite songs, dances, or skits. Number 13. Photography. Give the children a disposable camera and let them explore and take pictures of the world. Number 14. Cooking classes. Teach the children how to cook a simple meal, such as pasta or pizza, and let them help with preparations. Number 15. Magic show. Teach the children simple magic tricks and let them perform a magic show for the family. Number 16. Indoor mini golf. Create an indoor mini golf course using paper cups, cardboard boxes, and a small ball. Number 17. Sensory play. Encourage sensory explorations with various materials such as shaving cream, sand, and water. Number 18. Build a fort. Use blankets and pillows to build a fort and let the children play inside. Number 19. Balloon play. Blow up balloons and play games such as volleyball or balloon tag. Number 20. Play with Play-Doh. Provide Play-Doh and tools such as rolling pins and cutting cookies for the children to play with. Number 21. Play musical instruments. Provide musical instruments such as maracas, drums, and a kazoo for the children to play and create music. Number 22. Balloon darts. A balloon dart game using balloons and paper cups. Number 23. Treasure hunt. Create a treasure hunt with clues leading to special treats or prizes. Number 24. Karaoke. Set up a karaoke machine and let the children sing their favorite songs. Number 25. Ice cream parlor. Make homemade ice cream and let the children create their own sundaes. Number 26. Yoga. Do yoga together and encourage mindfulness and relaxation. Number 27. Paper airplane contest. Make paper airplanes and have a contest to see whose plane flies the furthest. Number 28. Pin the tail on the donkey. Play a classical party game that encourages hand-eye coordination. Number 29. Balloon soccer. Use a balloon and a laundry basket to play a game of indoor soccer. Number 30. Pillow fight. Have a fun and harmless pillow fight and let the children blow off some steam. Thank you for watching my video. I hope that it was very informative. Please subscribe and ring that notification bell for more videos to help you become a better home educator. This is Learning with Love with Mrs. Sand, and I am Mrs. Sand. Hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.